Hello and welcome back to another Beaufort County Jobs segment. We are here with Miss Sierra Hall. Thank you for joining us today, Sierra.
Thank you, Ms. Chloe, for having me again for today.
So what position are we highlighting today?
The position we'll be highlighting today is our plumbing position for Beaufort County.
And what are some of the things that the plumber does?
The plumber will be responsible for monitoring and maintaining the plumbing equipment, responsible for emergency troubleshooting the system, also performing repairs to the plumbing fixtures, pipes, and also drainage line. Plumbing also estimates the plumbing cost, ensures compliance with the safety regulations, and manages plumbing materials and supplies.
So what kind of experience are we looking at for this position, and do you need any licenses?
To fill this position, the candidate needs to have at least 2 to 4 years in plumbing experience. A certified plumber certification is preferred. Also, you must have a valid driver's license because we do provide a company vehicle for you.
Oh, great. Good to know. So what days of the week can we expect for this job, and is there any overtime available?
This is a full-time position, Monday through Friday, from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Overtime may be required depending on if there's an emergency in the situation. Also, you will be working on call after hours, and this position includes on-call and duties every 14 weeks with the standby pay, and also a company vehicle is provided.
And what are some of the associated benefits of this position?
Now, the benefits we have to offer to our full-time employees include healthcare, dental, vision, also retirement, deferred compensation plan, flex spending account, life insurance, long-term and short-term disability, holiday, vacation, and sick leave.
Sounds like a really great position we have open. So where would someone go if they want to find the job opening?
To find the job opening, you will go to our Beaufort County website, which is beaufortcountysc.gov, and then click on County Jobs, and you will be able to see all our open positions that we have within the county.
Well, great, Sierra. And if this, like she said, if this position interests you, check out our website. But once again, thank you, and we will see you back on our next job segment.